What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA Saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I have to say that we have amazing news that might change a lot in our case, and I have to say that Huckleberry and Syntax Queen of the Metaverse did an amazing job, and in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. And before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. And this is the only way how we can attract more attention to our problem, and this is the way how we can solve the problem of illegal activity on the markets. So let's start with the news itself. On MMTLPresources.com we can see this article that is titled "Evidence of MMTLP wrongdoing goes back to initial trading." And let me quote you further. "Those OG holders of MMTLP remember the surprise on our faces when a $0 dividend placeholder all of a sudden had a dollar value. These preferred shares were never supposed to trade, but they did anyway due to a loophole exploited by shorts. The SEC document from MetaMaterials had the word transferable in it. Huckleberry, along with Syntax and some of the other MMTLP due diligence team, have uncovered some of the evidence showing that in fact MMTLP was not properly prepared for trading. And let me show you this tweet written by Huckleberry in details. He wrote, "FINRA, I have some questions. I have read 15C2-11, FINRA Rule 6432, the amended rule, and 6439. 15C2-11 dictates the rules for listing securities on OTC. Exemptions available require a 211 field with FINRA. FINRA has stated in their FAQ response to MMTLP shareholders that no 211 was filled or required, as the unsolicited quotations exemption was used. This exemption is a bit lengthy as it requires a customer to submit to the broker a request and the broker to do an investigation to determine that the customer is not an insider or affiliate to the company trading on insider information. And according to FINRA Notice 9250, question number 29, see picture, and right here he added some screenshots. We know this wasn't the case because MMTLP was trading to multiple traders on October the 7th when it started trading. I myself purchased shares of MMTLP between October the 7th and October the 12th. The final piece here is the piggyback exemption. In order to qualify, a broker would have had to quote this security for 30 days before other brokers could use to trade openly. I was able to purchase on E-Trade and TD Ameritrade. There is one final exemption, the 12G3-2 foreign exchange traded securities exemption. This requires the filing of an F6 or to be posted on OTCIQ, OTCQB or OTCQX, which it wasn't. It was posted on OTCBB, which is the bulletin board and owned and overseen directly by FINRA, until November the 8th, 2021, when it was closed and FINRA Rule Series 6500 was deleted. So, no 15C2-11, no F6 filing, no 211.4, traded openly across brokers. All of these conditions cannot exist at the same time. It breaks anti-money laundering laws and would allow for the possibility of fraud, money laundering and financing of terrorism. And I have to say that this information is really mind-blowing, and let me show you further. He also added this. We have done an exhaustive search. Rule 15C2-11 exemption was not met. There is no Form 211. Okay, you had an exemption. There is no Form F6. Okay, you had an exemption. There is no unsolicited quotations request form that allowed all brokers to openly trade. Was an exemption for the piggyback exemption invented or I'm missing it? You don't have enough exemptions to exclude everything. Only the customer for whom the form was submitted and associated broker can use the exemption. If the broker wishes to use the exemption for another customer, 15C2-11 must be compiled with an exemption does not apply to other brokers inside 30 days. You broke the law. You broke your laws. I need answers. I have to say that it is a brilliant due diligence. And let me quote you this. Huckleberry added this 12 hours ago. I could not have done this without the help of Syntax Queen of the Metaverse and her giving me the direction of the F6 filing requirements. Thank you. You were a ton of help and great to collaborate with. And let me show you what did she wrote in response. This is it, guys. I believe this may be the path to show clear fraud and give us the ammo needed to get the release of the blue sheets. We found a crack. Huckleberry and Smoky Stock are gonna break this down for everyone tonight. The level of sophistication to orchestrate the MMTLP fiasco indicates not only a great scope, but also that many parties are involved in the implementation. And let me show you that Smoky Stock already hosted this Twitter space, and it is 1.5 hours long. And he wrote, this was an amazing space call and I want to thank Huckleberry for his great due diligence and insight. I also would like to thank all of the speakers that got up and spoke. There was great questions and discussion. Recap video coming soon. And if you want to know more details regarding this update, definitely you can play this recording and you can hear it by yourself. But I want to continue with this article. Let me quote you further. This isn't anything any of us didn't already know. However, it is some actual proof that this ticker traded fraudulently. It's unsure how this information will play moving forward. Could it be used by Mark Basil, Rosa, or any of the other legal challenges? Possibly. Could a new lawsuit be filed based on this new information? Likely. And I have to say that it is very likely that Mark Basil will file a new lawsuit and he will use this information. Because just several days ago, let me show you this tweet, on June 19th he wrote this: MMTLP OTC markets is up. Next, and he added, he basically explained what does this mean. MMTLP, it means, like I have said from the beginning, if you want to get to a resolution, you have to investigate and pursue from where this all started. And it all started on OTC markets. Now it's their turn to provide answers. They don't have immunity. And in my opinion, it is a very, very good chances that this next potential lawsuit against OTC markets, using this amazing information that was made by Huckleberry and Syntax Queen of the Metaverse, this information will help us to win this battle and to find out more about the OTC markets and how MMTLP ticker became tradable. And definitely, I think the main result of this might be the releasing of blue sheets. And definitely, this result might change everything, not only for MMTLP community, but for the entire market. And this will help to receive some compensations for damages on top of the real value of next bridge hydrocarbons shares. And definitely it is a very important information. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section if you think this information is valuable for the community. So, see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.